Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture of our QuickBooks Accountant web series. Today we will be going to discuss money in module that has to do with recording the invoices for the sales that have been made. The overall objective of the money in module shall be defined in such a small statement that you will be able to process key customer transactions, navigate your customer center, and find recent transactions. Okay, so we will start by this new button over here. What does it tell us? That it gives us an option to start anything that is new, whether it is a customer, supplier, employee payroll, or any other thing. So here we will be selecting invoice. So as we are going to record a new invoice, we have selected the new document and we have led ourselves into the invoice portion. It is loading a bit. Here we are. It is the pro forma that is available. The good thing about QuickBooks is that all the pro formas, that is whether it is for the invoice or it is for purchases, it is almost the same. So you don't need to be familiarizing yourself with different kind of formulas, different kind of performance. So here in all this performer, you can see that there we'll be adding a customer name. Before that, I shall discuss with you the invoice number. The invoice number here is 1014. QuickBooks start with the 1001 invoice number, and it builds up from there. However, you have the option to record or maintain your own custom invoice number. So here you will see there's a list of customers that is available to us. These are the customers that are already into the system. Customer email is very important when you are using the send option to the customers, that you build an invoice in the system and then you send it to the customers. So this is a very important feature, and if you are not connected with the customer through the web mail, then it is better to leave it blank. The billing address, as for any system or any business, you record an address for the same business for your records. Terms are more or less, the ideal terms are 30 days. Like within 30 days you need to pay us back. Here you will be deciding the invoice date. Like for example, if you are issuing the invoice today, you will be recording it as 8th of May 2021, and the due date will change on the basis of the terms that you are defining. So if you see, I have switched it from 30 to 15 and then from 6 to 60. It has changed eventually. Invoice number is 1014, as I discussed earlier. It can be the same. It can be the one built by the QuickBooks, and also you have the option to customize it. Reference number, any reference number that is good for you, that you want to discuss further. Location, tax, these are advanced level things that we don't need to discuss over here. We can discuss it in later topics when we are going a bit into detail to QuickBooks. Product service, what kind of product service that you are offering. Like for example, if I'm adding here catering, so this will enable us a description for the same product service. This must be one of those product or service that we are selling. The description that will be already inbuilt by us, the quantity that we want to sell, the amount GBP that we need to decide whether we sell it for £100, for £1,000, and it will automatically calculate on the basis of it. That VAT will be calculated at 20%. Class again is for the advanced level. Here you can see that the subtotal is given it has added the VAT, it has added the total to 1200, and the balance due to from the customer shall be 1200. If you go up here, it also says the same balance. Now we've got a couple of options here for saving, but before we can do what, we can add an invoice. Maximum size shall be 20 MB or less. The size should be 20 MB or less, and we can attach it over here. Then we have the option to even save and new, save and close, save and share link, save and share WhatsApp. So it is quite a good feature of QuickBooks that it is easily integrated with different services. So when we talk about save and new, we will be saving this and going to a new invoice. Save and close, this means that we will be saving this invoice and closing the invoice module. Share link, if we want to share it with someone, and share WhatsApp, it is self-explanatory. So this is an overview of how we will be recording the invoice, and this is simply pretty much it. And if we need to do if we need to add another invoice on this, we will be saving a new and or choosing to save a new and then clicking this item. So it will save it and it will start the new invoice. However, here we have not populated it, that's why it is giving an option to first populate it properly. We will be populating an invoice in the next video and going further into adding customers as well. So please stay tuned in for our upcoming video. Thank you very much. See you later.